Yeah, hi. Today we will do comparison of Java 11 and Java 21. Java 11 and Java 21 represent significant milestone in the evolution of the Java programming language, with Java 11 being a long-term support LTS release and Java 21 as the latest LTS versions. Here is comparison of the two. Release dates and LTS status. Java 11 released in September 2018. It is an LTS release, meaning it will receive extended support, making it suitable for enterprise use. Java 21 released in September 2023, also an LTS release with improvements and new features building upon the innovations introduced in previous versions. Language features. Java 11 local variable syntax for lambda parameter allows the use of where in lambda expression. New string methods introduce added methods like is blank lines repeat strip. Optional enhancement introduce is empty if present or else and or. HTTP client. The new standard HTTP client API previously incubated in Java 9 was made officially. Single file source code programs. You can run single file programs without the need to compile explicitly using Java filename.java. Java 21 pattern matching for switch. Enhance switch statements and expressions with pattern matching, allowing more powerful and expression control flow. Record patterns further enhances patterns matching by allowing matching against record components. Scoped values introduce a new approach to thread local data, providing a more flexible and efficient way to manage contextual data. Sequenced collections provide an interface that combines the list and set collections, offering a standard way to deal with ordered collections. String templates simplify the process of embedding expressions inside string literals with str for clear and safer string concatenation. Performance improvements. Java 11 garbage collection introduce improvements to G1, GC and new garbage collectors like epsilon, no of GC and enhancement to Z GC experimental in Java 11. Flat recorder and mission control provides advanced profiling and diagnostic tool. Java 21 GC enhancements continued improvements in GC including support for new memory regions and better performance. The Senado GC, which was incubated in earlier version, is now more mature and efficient. Virtual threads, a major feature in Project Loom. Virtual threads aim to drastically improve the scalability of concurrent applications by reducing the overhead associated with traditional threads. Tooling and API changes. Java 11 deprecations and removal. The removal of the Java EE modules from the JDK and the deprecation of the other modules like Nashon JavaScript engine. New APIs introduction of the java.net.http client API and new methods in existing class. Java 21 Project Loom introduced lightweight virtual threads for better concurrency, enabling high throughput non-blocking applications. Project Nama improved native interpretations, making it easier to work with native code and data structures. Deprecations and removal. Continuing deprecations of older APIs with a focus of modernization and security. Security enhancements. Java 11 various TLS and cryptography improvements with better defaults and stronger algorithms. Java 21 enhanced security features including more robust cryptography implementation, stricter handling of weak algorithms and further hardening of the platforms. Deployment and container support. Java 11 Docker awareness. Improved Docker support with resource limits awareness for CPUs and memory. JLink, a tool to create custom Java runtime, allowing you to bundle only the modules you need. Java 21 Continued container support. Further enhancement for running Java in containerized environments, focusing on performance and resource management. Advanced JLink. More optimization and feature in the JLink tool, providing even finer control over runtime images. Backward compatibility. Both versions maintain a high degree of backward compatibility, but Java 21 being more recent might require more adjustment when upgrading from older version to do the deprecations and removal of legacy APIs. Adoption and ecosystem. Java 11 widely adopted especially in enterprise environments due to its LTS supports and stable feature set. Java 21 as the latest LTS, it will gradually see more adoptions as organizations plan their upgrades path, especially those looking to leverage new concurrency features from Project Loom, and enhanced pattern matching. Thank you. If you like this presentation, please like, share and subscribe. Ring the bell to get notified of new content. Thank you.